So, let's face it, upgrading an hard drive from an old mechanical one to an SSD, or even from an SSD to a bigger SSD is always great, right? Yeah, but when it comes to reinstall the operating system, the drivers, the programs, copy all the things that you have in the old drive, well, we tend to delay the process and even in some cases just give up. And that's where EasyAsDiskCopy came in, the ultimate cloning tool that makes the process super easy. With the disk copy, besides cloning the entire hard drive without any effort, any person with a computer can clone the old hard drive for a newer one. This clone, among other features, also can allow you to create a bootable USB drive and also migrate Windows 11 or Windows 10 installations, and also as a super feature that stands out from the others, which is the capability of cloning hard drives with bad sectors. So if you have a hard drive with bad sectors, this clone basically jump over that bad sectors and finish the clone without any problems. And the other softwares normally give an error on that bad sector, and most of them just stop the clone without complete the clone itself. So with the Black Friday just around the corner, I believe this is the perfect opportunity for you to grab yourself a new hard drive, a new SSD, to upgrade that old mechanical one, or just to upgrade your SSD for a bigger one, and also take the opportunity to use the EasyAs promo code that I leave in the description below to buy yourself a license for the EasyAsDiskCopy. And without wasting any more time, let me show you how quick and easy is copy an entire disk with the disk copy from EasyAs. So let's jump in. So, and after you open up the EasyAsDiskCopy software, you will see this simple interface, this redesigned interface in fact, and you will see on the left the various modes of this software, but particularly today we're gonna focus on the disk mode. Here on the disk mode you can see all of the disks that we have connected to the laptop. First the disk 0, which is the hard drive, the internal hard drive of the laptop, and then we have two more ones, the disk 1 and the disk 2, both USBs that I connect to the laptop specific to test the clone software. The disk 1, it is a mechanical hard drive. As you can see, there is pretty little information here. In fact, it is a Batocera hard drive, which is a software to running retro gaming emulators with a couple ROMs, so doesn't take a lot of space. And the disk 2, as you can see, it's completely empty, is the Kingston SSD. So to start up the process, first we need to select our source, which is disk 1, and this option here, sector by sector copy, is the option that will allow you to jump over the bad sectors that I spoke earlier in the beginning of the video. So if you select this option, will take a little bit longer, but will finish the copy wherever the disk is good or not. Hitting next, it's time to select our target disk. In this case will be the hard disk 2, the SSD Kingston. And hitting next again, we can select, or we can see for the last time, our source and our target disks. And also we can have another option, which is the auto fit or the partition edit, so you can manually edit how the data will fit in the new target disks, or just leave it out of it. I particularly recommend leave it out of it. And after that you can hit proceed, confirm, and of course you have to wait for the software do the job. Of course this will be quick, just a couple minutes, because the source disk doesn't have much information to clone, but if you have a bigger disk with a lot of information, the clone will take longer. So wait patiently and the disk clone will do the job. And after a couple minutes, as you can see, the process is complete and the disk clone do the job. So if you have a disk or a source disk with a lot of information or just with a couple gigabytes, the process is exactly the same. Of course, the time will be different, but as you can see, it's super simple. Clone your old hard drive for a newer SSD or a bigger SSD. So as you can see, this is a super simple tool, really simple to use. And again, since Black Friday is right around the corner, this might be the perfect time to finally get that upgrade you've been putting off for so long. So EasyUs is offering an exclusive Black Friday discount, and you can grab it using the promo code I left down below in the description, of course. And honestly, with how simple and powerful this tool is, you really have no excuse not to give it a try. So just visit EasyUs website and download a Discopy software and give it a go. You will see how simple it is to use this software. And also, if you get stuck or need any help, you can always reach out to the support team of EasyUs directly on their website too. So I believe this is all for today. As always, thank you for watching. I hope I can see you in the next one.